You've got to be kidding me. What is wrong with this dog?
I don't even know what's wrong.
Again, this is like the third time this week. What is this?
Look, that's what you get when you have a husky and they can make
Who is this?
like
Get
anything.
Pony. Did you do this? What is this? Did you do doo-doos on the floor? Or doo-doos on the floor? Really?
Was it Gizmo? We don't even know. This is ridiculous now.
Turn it up.
Come on, we gotta go and clean it up like now before
I
it
know.
dries. I don't even know anymore. Like, this is disgusting.
Cleaned up. Another one!
Oh!
What is wrong
Why?
with you?
Why do you do this? No.
I don't know. He's been doing it all day.
Well, you didn't see it?
No.
Oh my gosh, let's go get...
No. I was watching a commercial.
Okay. Well, let's go clean this up,
Now,
I
you
guess.
gotta pay attention next time,
I
okay?
know, I'm sorry. I gotta keep an eye on it.
Come on.
Let's go clean it up. Oh, so disgusting.